Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Pampered Chef Hamburger Chopper. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Pampered Chef Hamburger Chopper for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. The Pampered Chef Hamburger Chopper is a must-have tool for anyone who enjoys making ground meat dishes quickly and efficiently. Designed to simplify the process of chopping and crumbling meat, this handy kitchen gadget features a unique, multi-blade design that makes breaking up ground beef, turkey, or chicken a breeze. One of the standout features of the hamburger chopper is its ergonomic handle, which provides a comfortable grip while you work. The sturdy, stainless steel blades are strategically positioned to break down the meat into uniform pieces without creating a mess. Whether you're making tacos, spaghetti, or hamburgers, the chopper ensures that your meat is perfectly crumbled in a matter of seconds. This versatile tool is not only useful for chopping meat, but can also be used for stirring, mixing, and mashing a variety of other ingredients. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a snap. Simply rinse under warm water or place it in the dishwasher. At an affordable price, the Pampered Chef Hamburger Chopper is a valuable addition to any kitchen. It's especially useful for busy home cooks who want to save time without sacrificing quality. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or prepping ingredients for a larger meal, this chopper is sure to become your go-to tool for ground meat preparation. With its sturdy construction, ease of use, and practicality, the Pampered Chef Hamburger Chopper is a kitchen essential that delivers outstanding results. Thanks for watching the video.